Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Today I'm going to share with you a very popular Sichuan fish with pickled mustard green. Actually, this will be an updated version of my original recipe. I'm going to add the noodles. I made it the other day and Mr. Cameraman enjoyed it very much, didn't you?
I really loved it.
Do you know the name, Chinese name of this dish?
酸菜鱼.
Yeah, very close. 酸菜鱼. Let me show you the ingredients. I have one fish fillet. This is a basa fish from Asia. It's a freshwater fish. You can also use cod, tilapia, or any other fillet you have. And here's a pickled mustard green. So if you cannot find this, and you can use pickles you have, that will work too. Here's aromatics. I have chili peppers, garlic, ginger. This is green Sichuan peppercorns. This is red. So the green one is more floral, so fragrant. So that's what we're going to use, both of them. And here's green onions. Here's the noodles I'm going to use, called sweet potato vermicelli, made from sweet potato starch. Of course, you can use other noodles, like your ramen noodles, right? And I have some chicken stock. I'm going to use avocado oil. For the chili peppers, just break them in half. And the garlic, just slice it. And the garlic cloves pretty big, so 4 should be enough. And then we need some ginger slices. Should be enough. For the green onions, just need to slice it like this. Separate the white from green. That should be enough green onions. I'll save some. And I also have a handful of cilantro for garnish. Here's a pickled mustard green. I'm going to give a quick rinse, so this way it won't be so salty. I'm going to just use half. This is 8 ounces. Save another half. And we just cut into thin slices. Next, we're going to slice the fish. For the fish, we're going to just slice it like this. Not too thin. Next, we're going to season the fish. So we add some salt, white pepper powder, and some white part of green onions. Get some juice out. Some ginger slices. And optional, Shaoxing cooking wine, if you have it. And just mix together. And then we let this marinate for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to cook our noodles. I already prepared part of water. Now we're going to cook our noodles. It's about 4 ounces. Is this enough for us?
It looks like enough, but you know me, I love noodles.
Yeah. So this noodles, very elastic. We're going to cook about 10 minutes. Almost 10 minutes. Our noodles are ready. We're going to drain it. I'm heating up the pan to medium-high and add some avocado oil. You can use vegetable oil. First, we're going to saute aromatics. And here's a Sichuan peppercorn, chili pepper, garlic, ginger slices, and a green onion, the white part. Now we add pickled mustard green. Saute about half a minute. Now I'm adding chicken stock. That's all the chicken stock we have. So I just add some water. It should be enough. And then we bring this to a boil. Now our broth is boiling. Let's add the fish. I'll add some salt. We will adjust later. And let this cook about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, let's add our noodles. Let them incorporate with the broth. This is more like a stew, so not soup, but if you want to make into soup, so you can add more stock. And then we finish with green onions. Should be enough, right? We have a lot of green onions. And some cilantro. Give a stir. Wow, looking good, right?
It looks great.
One pot
Smells
dinner.
great too. Yeah.
This is our dinner.
Great.
Let me just give a quick taste. Awesome. And our fish is ready. Looking so good, right?
Looks delicious.
Broth. This is the color from the pickles.
Wow.
Fish.
Beautiful.
Are you ready to try?
I'm ready to try.
Are you gonna have noodles first or fish?
Of course, the noodles first. Wow, they absorbed all the flavor. That's delicious.
Pickles. Pickled vegetables. Just enough acidity. Let's try the fish.
Wow, this is great.
So tender fish, right? Perfect.
Wow. You're gonna have to make more. This is excellent.
Try the soup.
Soup is awesome.
So good. If you don't have an appetite, this is perfect for you. Really will open up your appetite, right? I'm going to list the recipe, my original recipe, in the description box. Check it out.
Awesome.
Yeah, please leave me a comment below if you ever had fish with pickled vegetables. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.